All right, guys, I wanted to show you where you could find some extra help this semester for math. So if you go to your message boards, I'm going to go down to Foundations A. And I'm going to click on my message board. And this is also there for B as well. Once you open your message board, if you click on the unit that you're working on, let's say that you're working on integers and algebraic expressions, which is the first unit. If you click on that, it's going to open up this thing. And let's say that you're on the order of operations quick check and you are confused. Well, click on that first lesson, order of operations. And there is some helpful stuff, some extra videos and some extra practice, but right down here, and I put it bold so that you would see it, I'm working diligently to make a video that goes over the same type problems that you have on your quick checks and quizzes. So where it says quick check help, if you click on this video, it's going to open up a YouTube video of me. I'm going to pause that. But it's of me going over the same type questions that you will see on the quick check. So if you follow along with this video, I think it'll make you feel more prepared to take your quick check. And I will have those available. I'm going to try to do them for every quick check and every quiz. So if you're working on integer and absolute value, you can just click on that one and scroll down. And there should be the help video to help you through that quick check. Just wanted you guys to know that that resource is out there. It's out there for Foundations of Algebra B too. You get to it the exact same way. So if you're ever working in math on a quick check or a quiz and you're getting really confused or really frustrated, just stop what you're doing, go to the message board and click on that video and watch it first, and then go back and try to complete your quick check or your quiz. And it also goes in the same order as the quick check or the quiz. So if you feel great on every single thing except for number 3, then in the video you should be able to easily find the third problem and watch how to do it, and then go back to your quick check or your quiz and finish it up. So I just wanted you to know that is there. Please take advantage of it. Please use those resources.